feeding seagulls some chips. Y'all put some on the ground. Throw some in the air. Throw some in the air.
Y'all don't mind up there, Bryson. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I threw one in the Are you kidding me? See?
Throw some more. Throw some more. You got some more?
I ain't got no more.
Don't throw mine.
I got no more.
Get some of them off the...
Pick them off the ground.
Pick them off the ground.
Throw them off the ground. Don't let them poop on me.
They're on the roof too. Look.
Oh, did you see that?
Awesome.
They're gonna poop on us. Taller. I threw one and the bird caught it. Awesome. I threw it and he said...
Pick some more off the ground. Pick some more off the ground.
I don't know why
Jerry just goes, you want a chip? Throws it and the bird goes.
And he catches it. Oh yeah!
Stop, Luke, stop. Is he gonna eat it?
They're letting us get so close to them. It's like they don't even care.
Oh my god! Get it! You know how...
It's like they don't even care. They're all over the place up here. Y'all go find some more chips.
Here, get no, there's a long one.
There's a long one. Crush it up and toss it.
No.
Hold back.
Dude, they're catching them like crazy, bro.
Dude, they're catching them.
You got one over there, look, come on. They don't want to try to catch up. God, I'm not even
Put one on your hand. Put one on your hand and hold up your hand.
You do it.
Yeah, put one on your hand.
Put one on your hand.
Let him eat it.
Oh! Oh! Let me do it again. Let me do it again. Let me do it again.
Oh, this is awesome. Oh my god, don't poop on me. You gotta put this on. Oh my god.
Oh! He took it from my hand. This is remarkable. Yeah. Come on, dude. Toss it straight up.
Look on the roof, man.
Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Oh! Oh!
Dude, look at that. Holy crap.
Watch this.
Look at that.
Oh! Dude, toss some more. Toss some more.
He stole a cupcake. Where did your wrapper go? He stole the wrapper. The wrapper's gone. Oh my god. Hey, let me get some chips. They're catching them. Oh, did you see that? He's running.
We're feeding seagulls some chips. This is remarkable, I tell you.
Somebody don't poop on me.
They are all over the place. Oh my gosh. Oh man.
Oh god.
Look at this bird. It has one in his mouth. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. They're all over the place. On the rooftop, everywhere.